Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ETRM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past couple of days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I did this analysis yesterday, so that's where these green lines are coming from. And I don't want to say any updates really need to be made, but more so just kind of confirmation of the key level and key thing that I talked about in yesterday's video, and that sits there at 6 cents. In a nutshell, 6 cents is very important because this move here was really good. I don't think anybody can debate that. So the last thing you want to see is for the price to go right back to where it started, because that's not what truly strong moves do, right? Truly strong moves make progress. And that's why 6 cents is very important, because if the price bounces around here and then heads back up, well, that would be a good sign of progress, because you'd have a set of lows here, and then this previous set of lows would be down there. You picture those as stair steps, so hopefully you get the picture. I mean, the stair steps would be going in the upward direction. So yeah, going into today, 6 cents was kind of the let's see if the bulls can stay up above it. And not only did the stay above it, I mean, it got tested. Price, for just a very short amount of time was down below it, but quickly snapped back. And after that, this level is still holding. So the bulls are technically making progress. Now, just because they make progress one day after the breakout doesn't mean this thing's headed up to 20 cents next week. But the point here being, all uptrends have to start somewhere. And there's no way an uptrend can start until it can start to put in higher bases. And that's what the chart did today. So 6 cents, for that very reason, is still the very important level of support going into next week, simply for the fact of, can the bulls build the higher stair step? I mean, the goal here going forward is for this to be the new stair step, because relative to the previous base down here, that would be higher. And I guess I'm kind of beating that dead horse, but it's very important. 6 cents is still in play. Now, this was more of an ideal level here at 7 cents, and yeah, it still pertains to the chart, but in the spirit of just not having a million lines over the place, let's just talk levels of resistance. So we'll use this line for resistance now. The one new kind of portion that has stepped up right up here about 8 cents, that's going to be that key level of resistance. You can see right here multiple times price try to get above it. During the first 30 minutes here, the price actually did get up above it, but couldn't maintain above it. So 8 cents still going to be that key level of resistance. But really, as far as I'm concerned, resistances, yeah, they're important. Yeah, you want to see the price eventually break them. But as it stands right now, key thing is building higher bases, and that's why I keep coming back to that 6 cents. So far, so good. The price is showing signs of progress, and as long as it stays up above that 6 cent level, progress is continuing to be made, and that is the name of the game. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good weekend.